So it now seems highly unlikely, almost impossible, for Brianna Williams to make it to Doha for the World Championships. She will not exhaust the process relating to her anti-doping case in time. It's been almost 2 weeks since the positive test, and the hearing is set for another 2 weeks, and the World Championships will start a few days after the hearing is scheduled to end. So unless she gets off totally scot-free, it is not going to happen. Brianna will be left with no choice but to shift her focus to the Olympics next year to make her senior international debut. And look, we have to say this. People inside and outside the athletics fraternity have been whispering and suggesting and implying. But I not new. This is Jamaica. People been talking from Brianna burst onto the scene. Some of them seem to have had a problem with the rapid progress that was being made by this exceptional young sprinter. And after the adverse analytical finding, it's now almost a covert under the breath. I told you so. But you know, while some people are studying evil, some of you are studying progress. And we just want to say to Brianna Williams, this too shall pass. And in another 6 months or a year, when she's fully back to blazing up the track and winning medals and breaking records, these same Jamaicans who are now whispering will be jumping and shouting and cheering. Yes, but we are going to remember them. Yes, we are going to remember them.